Jenny, so tomorrow I will prepare the breakfast for you. Cause right now you're still growing out, so you'll need a healthy body.
You don't even know how to cook.
It's okay. I will follow the recipe. So tomorrow you just wait and you will be know about it. Good morning, Jenny. So the breakfast has been prepared, yeah? So there's some bread and eggs on the table.
Alright. Is this really edible? Dad, I'm heading out now. Dad, I'm home.
Jenny, don't worry. Tomorrow I will prepare the breakfast for you.
Why still got extra inside?
Sorry, Jenny, I didn't notice that, but there's some juice on the table, so you can have it.
Dad, I'm heading out now. Please try not to burn any food, but the juice was good. Bye.
Jenny, tomorrow I will prepare a better breakfast for you.
Hopefully. Looks good. Hope it tastes good.